Hello everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference, I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. I am now here in Social Blade in the channel name of Jigger Villacorta. So for today's vlog, we're going to make a channel review on how much he earned on his YouTube channel. So as you can see, he has 392 upload video on his YouTube channel with 173,000 subscribers with the total video views of 31,902,847. So there is no country, and the channel type is people. User created February 18, 2014. So more than 5 years na itong YouTube channel ni Jigger Villacorta, and total grade in Social Blade is letter B positive. Social Blade rank is 49,074. Subscriber rank of 447,333, and video views rank of 169,622. There's no rank for country, it is missing, and people's rank is 22,743. So sa channel na ito, dito sa video na ito, gagawin natin yung estimated, or kukumputin natin yung kanyang monthly estimated earnings, yung kanyang estimated yearly earnings. Of course, i-figure out natin or check din natin kung magkano yung kanyang estimated earnings daily, weekly, and for the last 30 days. So nandito tayo sa subscriber for the last 30 days. So he gained 10,000 subscribers, so 0.00%, and estimated monthly earnings of $827 to $13,200. So minimum of 827 and maximum of $13,200. Video views for the last 30 days is 3.3 million something. So mababa siya ng 5% compared to the last month. So yung kanyang total subscriber weekly, yung graph niya is napakaganda ng performance, and estimated yearly earnings of $9,900 to $158,800. So total video views niya, pataas yung graph ng kanyang weekly views for his video. So sa ngayon, andito tayo sa monthly estimated earnings, which is meron siyang minimum na estimated earnings na $827. Ita times natin siya sa 48 because that is the exchange rate here in Philippines. So $827 times 48 is equals to 39,696 pesos. So yun yung minimum estimated earnings niya sa kanyang monthly estimated earnings. And then yung maximum niya is $13,200 times 48, so he got 633,600 pesos maximum. So ang laki ng kanyang estimated earnings, and of course dun sa kanyang estimated yearly earnings na minimum is meron siyang $9,900 times 48. So he got 475,200 pesos. Minimum lang yan, guys, and then yung maximum niya na $158,800 times 48, he got 7,622,400 pesos. That's really wow. It's a huge amount of money, guys. Ayun. So dahil na figure out natin kung magkano yung minimum and maximum, so sa next page naman, i-figure out natin yung estimated earnings, yung summary or YouTube summary ni Jigger Villacorta. So makikita natin din yung subscribers, video views, and of course yung mga date of generating earnings sa kanyang YouTube channel. So magja-jump tayo sa kanyang YouTube summary or statistics. So in this page, makikita yung estimated earnings, video views, subscribers who subscribe to his YouTube channel, and yung nag-generate na earnings every day. So kung makikita ninyo dyan, meron siyang mga videos na walang earnings. So I guess that is wala siyang ads or nakalimutang i-on ang ads, kaya wala siyang estimated earnings doon sa mga videos na 00. Ayan, ang lalaki pa naman ng mga views. So parang dalawang video yon. So wala siyang earnings. So in this page, andito tayo sa daily average. Meron siyang 334 subscriber who subscribe to his YouTube channel, and then 110,272 total video views with $28 to minimum and maximum $441 estimated earnings. So that is for one day lang, and weekly average of 2,300 something subscriber who subscribe to his YouTube channel with 771,904 total video views, and then minimum estimated earnings of $193 to $3,100. That is for weekly, guys, and it's a huge amount of money. And then for the last 30 days, he gained 10,000 subscribers with 3,308,146 total video views, and then the estimated earnings of $827 minimum to $13,200 maximum. So ang laki ng kanyang monthly estimated earnings. This is really wow. It's a huge amount of money, and I made this video just to inspire small YouTuber, and I use Social Blade, a public website which is anyone can access this site, as in anyone. So thank you so much for having Social Blade. At least we have a reference. And a big shout out to Jigger Villacorta, and don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel. He is really amazing. So in the next page, we're going to check out his monthly gain views, so we can expect the graph in there, and of course the different month of having video views. So in this page, you can see the total video views of 2,971,000. So that was February, and then January, December, and so on and so forth. So lately, tumaas yung kanyang performance na kanyang YouTube channel when it comes to video views. So ayan, in this page again, another page, monthly gain subscriber for Jigger Villacorta. So he gained 8,000 subscribers, 14,000. So every dot in there represent how many subscribers who subscribe to his YouTube channel. So may mataas din siyang subscribers. So ayan, I think that was May 20, 2020. Yes. So ang dami niyang subscribers. So I made this video to inspire small YouTuber, and of course to all viewers. So that's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and keep safe everyone.